Have you ever felt that life is meaningless? That the entire universe lacks purpose? Have you ever been confused or tried to explore the value or goal of life? This feeling is called
Nihilism.
The audience for nihilism can be philosophers, artists, or anyone searching for the true meaning of life. Some studies have found that neurochemical changes associated with depression and anxiety can lead to doubts about the meaning of life and feelings of nihilism. Specific areas and functions of the brain may be related to the perception and understanding of the meaning of life. For example, the prefrontal cortex. The prefrontal cortex, located in the frontal region of the cerebral cortex, has several important functions, including cognitive control, emotional regulation, social behavior, and working memory. The frontal lobe, an advanced part of brain development. The psychological and personality characteristics of an individual can also be related to nihilistic tendencies. For instance, high neuroticism and low extroversion may be linked to nihilism. A person with high neuroticism might be very sensitive to emotions and react more intensely than most people, while someone with low extroversion may often be very quiet and very introverted in everyday life. Generally speaking, if we want to overcome nihilism and be full of hope and confidence in life, we should constantly remind ourselves, when we feel empty, every day is a brand new day, and each day brings new experiences. Many of us feel like we're living in a monotonous and repetitive life, but that's not entirely true. For example, as students, we might study the same subjects like digital geometry every day, while the biological structure of our routine might seem meaningless. We can find meaning in those brief 40 minutes by immersing ourselves in learning. We can create change by taking risks and trying new things, challenging ourselves to break out our comfort zones, and infusing our lives with passion. Finding something we love, something we can fully commit to, can transform our perspective. When we engage in activities we love, we stop questioning the meaning of life and simply live it into the fullest.
Skateboarding is my passion in life. Every time when I complete a trick after thousands of time practices that I never believed I could complete, I feel extremely excited. Because of the power of what you love, lets every repeating tricks become no more boring. Let me bring smile when I fell down. Skateboarding brings life force to me.
Cycling is something that makes me happy about my life. Actually, I'm not a professional rider. I don't even know much about riding. But during the ride, I relax myself and feel the beauty of my surroundings.
Calligraphy is the greatest pleasure in my life. Whenever I complete a piece of work through little by little practice, I feel very proud and happy, thinking that what I have done is no longer meaningless. I feel that through my writing, every word is very beautiful and realistic. Every time after practicing, the sunset glow and sunset is in my eyes, and I'm full of hope for life at that moment.